Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. I was going through my phone and I found this old lip scrub video that I made and never posted, so I decided to upload it. And what I'm using is organic sugar, green tea from the green tea bags, agave syrup, glycerin, and olive and grapeseed oil to make this sugar scrub. I do have a detailed video on how I make them, so I will link that in the cards. But you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like it. Leave me any comments if you need help making lip scrubs. Is really easy, straightforward, but you know, I'm here for you guys. And leave me down a green heart emoji for this green tea lip scrub. You can also use these same ingredients to make a green tea body scrub as well. But that's all I really have to say for this video, you guys. Just keep on watching, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.